Hello everyone, my name is Shamika, aka Pagingallyne, and welcome to my channel. I am so excited for this channel to be in existence because there's a lot that we can talk about. But before we deep dive into that, let me tell you a little bit about me. I am currently a naturopathic medical student in the incredibly sunny and uncomfortably warm state of Arizona at Southwest College of Naturopathic Medicine. Before embarking on this medical school journey, I received a bachelor's in biology and psychology and a master's in biomedical sciences. Presently, I am a former allopathic medical student navigating the world of naturopathic medical school. Now, I'm in the business of keeping it real. And what I've noticed is that there are a lot of channels dedicated to navigating the highs and lows of professional school, but not many channels shed light on the naturopathic medical school experience. So in an effort to do just that, I wanted to start this channel for 3 reasons. Number 1, to dispel the myth that naturopathic physicians are not real doctors. Number 2, to elucidate the differences and similarities between naturopathic and allopathic medicine. And number 3, to provide resources, encouragement, and my own personal perspective to all who will watch, read, or listen. I hope you enjoy the content on my channel. Become a part of the movement by subscribing to this channel. Be sure to tell others about it and hit that bell so that you can get notified when new videos are uploaded. Till next time. Adios.